Hi friends, Rotary in Mumbai called as District 3141 is one of the premier Rotary districts around the world. And Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs. In this new year, many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference. In this year, we have started a novel concept called as Biz Talks, an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. Friends, Biz Talks is a hot from oven initiative to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary, and professional fronts. In these interviews, we speak to visionary candidates who, by virtue of the selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference. I am your host, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon by profession and Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. Friends, we have a very special guest today, a Rotarian with more than 3 decades of Rotary experience, a Rotarian from one of the most premium clubs of District 3141. Yes, friends, he is none other than Dr. Krishna Kumar from Rotary Club of Mumbai Khar. By classification, he is into medical homeopathic consulting. He is a very simple person, straightforward and friendly. He loves his profession and family. Wants to give back to the society in his capacity. Friends, with this short introduction, I would like to present in front of you our dear friend and Rotarian, Dr. Krishna Kumar from Rotary Club of Mumbai Khar.
Hi friends.
Hi sir, how are you doing? All well?
Great. All well, Manish.
You're keeping safe during the COVID times?
Yeah, absolutely fine.
People have started saying that there is a homeopathic medicine which is also there to increase your immunity, so also you can take care of COVID patients. So you would definitely be having a big rush of patients. But
that's true.
That you are very precious for us. You have to take care of yourself so that you can take care of many more people in future also.
Thank you.
Now coming to our talk show, sir. Dr. Krishna, we have worked with each other. We've known each other since long, but there are lots of residents and Rotarians who are listening to this show today. They would like to know something more about you as a person and about your family life.
See, I'm a practicing homeopath for the last 34 years in Mumbai, and I'm married to Dr. Lata. She's also happened to be a homeopath. She's also honorary at Bombay Rotary Club of Bombay West Run Charitable Trust at Juhu, and plus she's having her own private practice. We both are practicing at Khar, SV Road, Mumbai West. Now we are blessed with 2 daughters. Elder one is Manali. She's married. She's an engineer by profession. She has done her engineering from BJTI. Then she lives in USA now, California. She has done further MS from Georgia Tech of Atlanta, Georgia Technology, Atlanta. Now she's working with Google. She's married, happily married. Her husband, Shashank, he's also working with Facebook. My another daughter, Pritika, she has done MA Clinical Psychology from Mumbai University. Then further, she also pursuing her higher study from the Chicago School of Professional Psychology. So she is doing her MS in Counseling Psychology. These are about my kids and my family. That's all.
Fantastic, Doc. So good to know so much about you. Dr. Krishna Kumar, you know that you've been serving Rotary through your vocation since years and years and years. And you are a name to reckon with in homeopathy. And you are a full-fledged homeopathic practitioner. Homeopathy is also a solution to many medical problems. We would like to know something more about you and your profession also. So, you and homeopathy, and how does your practice run?
Touchwood is good. See, I'm very happy with my practice. As I told you, last 34 years I've been practicing exclusive homeopathy. Earlier, I was working with one of the senior homeopaths in town, Dr. Mukesh Batra. I was with him for almost a decade and still have very good relation as a senior. Then I started my own practice from 87, and touchwood I picked up very well. and I've been doing very well. Then after some years, I've married Dr. Lata. She also happened to be homeopath, and we have been doing fair practice at least, and whatever best we could do through homeopathy. Homeopathy is not the solution for everything. Homeopathy has its own limitations. I love to contribute what best we could do. Just in the beginning, you just Manish told that during COVID time, homeopathic medicines are being given to increase the body immunity. It's very much true. Basically, homeopathic medicine act also on the body immunity level, whether it's a primary or secondary, whatever thing is there. Then that's how it cures it. There are no painkillers, no antibiotic in homeopathy. It is just pills, which is collected, which is given after collecting the patient's clinical signs and symptom. We call it totality of symptom, and then we match one drug, which is covering his patient's constitution. That's how it cures it. Then, along with that, we require some acute medicine also to relieve immediate relief, because many patients sometimes they are allergic to allopathic drugs. They could not tolerate allopathic drugs. They switch over to other system of medicine like homeopathy. So, as a good homeopath, as a successful homeopath, one should do their duty towards society. That is my motto.
Friends, those who are listening to us right now, as much as I know Dr. Krishna Kumar, he's a man of his word, he's a man of ethics, he's a man of integrity. And this is a time when homeopathic medicines are really playing a very good role in increasing the body immunity. And he is a single specialty homeopathic practitioner. So he doesn't do allopathy and homeopathy mix. He is a professional and a person whom any homeopathic practitioner will idealize, that they want to be like someone like Dr. Krishna Kumar. Friends, if you wish to know something more about homeopathy during COVID times, please open your Rotary book. Please look out for Dr. Krishna Kumar and speak to him. I'm sure he'll be more than happy to attend to you either at his clinic or even on phone, because he's one person who can really go out of the way to support you all in these trying times. I took the liberty of telling everyone on your behalf, Doc. I know the type of person you are. That's the
no, Manish, sure.
Definitely. Thank you so much, sir. At the same time, now, Dr. Krishna Kumar, you are the district project director for a particular avenue in the year 2021. You are district project director for alternate medicine. You would have your plans sorted out regarding what are you planning to do in the year, in the vision year. So can you let us know about your plans for 2021 as district project director for alternate medicine?
See, for the alternate medicine, we have team. And I'm very happy and proud to say that our governor, 2021, Sunil Mehra, has designed very elaborately. He wants to spread the alternate, whatever post has been given to the director, they should justify and they should pass on to each and every Rotarian, whether it's in Palghar or whether it's in Colaba, whether it's in Mulund or whether it's in Khar. So I really am very proud of that. So he is designed into 4 zones: South Zone, North Zone, Northwest, and Central Zone. I have my own team where the avenue chair, co-chair are there, and district chair are there. We already had series of meetings and already checked out some planning. Like we'd like to organize certain alternate medicine seminar, which I have been doing for the districts last 2 decades. Every year I have been, but it is just single one-time seminar or 2-time max to max. Now this is going to go in all the zone. So we are going to organize seminar, then we are going to have camp, where along with the medical camp, alternate system of medicine also being promoted. Suppose any Rotary center, they are running their own medical center. We are requesting all the president and the trustee of that club to please dispense along with this homeopathic, Ayurvedic, this kind of medicine also. We are going to give them all technical expertise, all those expert in homeopath, Ayurveda and other system of medicine, yoga, naturopathy, everything we are going to provide them and pass on to the community through this Rotary platform.
Fantastic, Doc. This is an excellent initiative that you are taking, and I'm sure with your efforts we are going to reach all the possible unbelievable heights that we had thought of. You are a person of your word, and if you have committed yourself that you are going to reach all your targets, I'm sure these targets towards community help and towards community service will 100% be achieved. You have a very strong team. All the best from our side. to have a lovely year ahead. At the same time, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for accepting our invitation and coming on this talk show and sharing your views with all others. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Manish. Thank you for inviting